he got cut. He got cut. On the helmet. That was a full power thrust. Langmesser. Ja, das ist sehr gut und interessant. Like, let's be real, okay? Let's be real. How you guys doing tonight? Maybe we could react to Adorea. What a good channel. And of course, if any of you isn't subscribed to Adorea, you totally should, because their fights are amazing. Maybe we could start with 2v1 because it's short. Just to get a complete picture. Let's check out the trailer first. Nice. Man, look at those 15th century arming doublets. Oh my gosh, this is so good. And a little risky, to be honest. They could crack fingers like that. Coming soon. Alright, let's check it out. They have a Kingdom Come Deliverance sword fight. We're checking that one out today as well. 2v1, let's go. Nice action shot. Okay, let's choose who we support. Who do we support? I like the guy in red. I know that probably I'm supposed to support this guy on the left because he's fighting against two assailants. And I think he's the one who's going to win, to be honest. Because, I mean, if it's 2v1 and they cut him in pieces, you know, it's not wow. I think it is choreographed. Yes, they are. I think they are choreographed, but I might be wrong. We'll read the description. He's my favorite, though, the red guy. Wow. I think there is some good Marozzo in there that we just saw, apart from usual, like Fiore dei Liberi style. That was a nice kick. Oh, he got cut. He got cut. Uh-oh. Oh, so he did lose. Man, that was... you've got... Like, let's be real, okay? Let's be real. How does Hollywood still exist? How do they get budgets of millions of dollars and then we get the... oh, the one at the bottom, like the... pirouette. How? How? This was incredible. How does Hollywood even exist? Let's watch one more. I don't want to watch too many because, I mean, you guys should definitely go and check them out. Kingdom Come Deliverance sword fight trailer. I want to see the Kingdom Come Deliverance sword fight. Where is it? Beautiful, beautiful swords. And Barbute, shout out to the Barbute. Of course, the left guy here with the Barbute is my favorite because, I mean, style. Style. That's Dutch. Spear and sword. Man, look at that Barbute. So there are multiple fights that they're gonna have. Did you see that? I hit him in the face on the helmet. That was a full power thrust. Goodness gracious, this guy's a pro. You know what? It's kind of interesting that they did this for Kingdom Come Deliverance and there is a spear and polearms, because for what I recall, I don't think Kingdom Come Deliverance has got spears, did it? So maybe this was like their passive-aggressive way to tell the developers of Warhorse Studios, get the spears. My gosh. He lost the weapon. Take down, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Man, this is as real as it gets when it comes to choreographed fight. Very professional. Well, that was spectacular. Did they ever do it? Let me see. Adorea, Kingdom Come Deliverance. Kingdom Come Deliverance certified it from Studio Adorea 5 years ago. I think they did not. So they made the trailer, but maybe they didn't make it. Well, if I'm wrong, I'm sure they'll let us know. Kingdom Come Deliverance, new gameplay details. Ooh, we should check this one out. Let me open it on a separate tab. Mesa versus Mesa. Shield fight techniques. I like the ones where they are dressed, so I'm not really interested in these, but I'm sure if you're into HEMA, you will watch every single one of these. Laurus Nobilis. Well, we could check out a little bit of this Mesa versus Mesa, but let's have a look at this. Mesa is a fascinating weapon. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. What a location. Incredible. So who, the master is the other one, the instructor. The guy on the left.
Teď vlevo.
Pánové.
What language is it? Is it Czech? I guess it's Czech. You know why that's not a stupid question, by the way? Because you could be like, it's Kingdom of Bohemia, of course it's Czech. Because in medieval Kingdom of Bohemia, you had a lot of Germans. In fact, they had kind of a double standard or double way to expand territories, territorial and domain expansion in the Kingdom of Bohemia in the Middle Ages. When they would build new settlements, they would either build settlements that would be 100% Czech, or maybe Czech with a little bit of people from other places, or they would have Germans build settlements and then still kind of be under the control of Czech authorities. Of course, it doesn't sound like German, but I'm just saying, asking what language is it in the Kingdom of Bohemia. I mean, if you are in a city like Prague, similarly to Paris, it would have been relatively diverse. And I would like to underline that when I say diverse, I mean in the medieval sense, which means you would have an Italian, you would have a Frenchman, you could run into a German, you can run into, of course, plenty of Czech people. That's what I mean by diverse. Diverse in a European medieval sense. People from Genoa. It's diverse from that point of view, but still, if it has a massive university, or the cities that would actually be diverse in the modern sense in the medieval period, still not as much as today, but it would be coastal trade cities, particularly if there is trade with Muslims or if there is trades with rich areas outside of Europe, then you would have a little more diversity. But cities that were inland, the percentages of ethnic continuity maybe would be extremely high in medieval Europe, with a few exceptions.
Je čas.
When it comes to authenticity, did you see how there was some fruit on the side? Of course, they know what they're doing. When it comes to fruit and vegetables, you actually have to know what you're doing, because the colors of fruit and vegetables in the medieval period would have been different than the colors we're used to today. For instance, orange carrots wouldn't be a thing. Most carrots would be purple. Maybe by this time in Holland, but in the rest of Europe, for the majority, the entirety of the medieval period, carrots were purple. We actually selectively bred them to lose the purple component. There is a specific chemical within purple carrots, which is the original color, that gives them that color. But the reason why we decided to remove it by selective breeding is because it also made them a little bitter, for what I could remember. Of course, you wouldn't see tomatoes unless you go into post-American discovery. So in this period, already some tomatoes would have been brought back from America. They would have been small in size because, once again, modern crops are selectively bred in a way to please our own palate desires and what we want to sell in the market. But those take time to do that. So the original tomatoes would have been small, and they would have been either red or yellow. The original tomatoes that would arrive from America. You can still find the yellow variety. Yellow and small, there you go. This is kind of similar type of tomatoes that would arrive from America originally in the 1485, 1490, 1500s, or kind of similar to this but red. And the ones that look like this maybe are the reason why in Italian we call them pomodoro. And pomodoro is a compound word in modern Italian that is composed of two words that I can put an apostrophe, which is pomo, an archaic way to say apple, and doro, of gold. Maybe the etymology of this, or maybe they just say gold because it's good, it's nice, and so it's valuable. But yeah, gold apple or golden apple could be a translation for this. What is he drinking? What is he drinking? They're gonna have a duel? Yes, they are. Wow. Messer, I think in German, actually means knife. So, Langmesser, it means a long knife. Langmesser, ja, das ist sehr gut und interessant. Ha! Du bist kein Deutscher, du bist ein Schwein! I thought it was amicable. Considering the speed at which they go at each other, and this is a gorgeous shot, they must rehearse this a lot because they have no protection for their hands, for the face, and the blades are solid. That's not rubber. Uh-oh. Wow. That must have been a prop. What a beautiful blade. Did he win? No? Huh. Stand up he says. Man, that's such a beautiful... Holy moly, what a takedown. Oh, come on. That was a Muppet move. That was a Muppet move. This is phenomenal, by the way. That's a nice coat of arms. Ooh. Uh-oh. That was, he cut him with the false edge. At this point, I would have, I would have given up if I was the guy on the right. Okay. He's been, oh, that's the end of it. That's the end of it. He did deserve it, though. So it was a duel to the death. Hey, yeah, let's go. Drink it. Yeah. Poisoned? Poisoned? Man, what an ending that would be if he dropped dead. Shot and directed and edited by Adam. Adam, you are the man. These guys are amazing. So let's give them a like. I'm already subscribed, of course. If you like our content, we'd love it if you'd buy us a beer and support our work. Your Adorea team. So do they have like a Patreon? Let's see if they have a Patreon so we can give a little shout out to their Patreon. If I... How do you even do that? I don't even know how... Oh, there we go. See, if you like our content, support our work on Patreon. Let's see. They have 13 paid members for $51 a month. This is unacceptable. Come on. Come on. There are those YouTubers that are like Muppets, like XQC, making millions of dollars. And these guys only have 13. Well, they're going to have 14 because I'm going to become absolutely a Patreon. And they absolutely deserve more. So, fantastic, fantastic, guys. Armory fight. 44 seconds. Let's go. Taking you for a spin. There is a lady involved. Man, the acting. Man, the acting. So not only they're great at fighting and doing all of that kind of stuff and choreographed combat, they are great actors. Oh, this was for the Night of Hope, yeah. If you haven't watched the Night of Hope, I've already reacted to the Night of Hope. I don't know if I should do another react again. I guess maybe one of these days. If you guys like it. If you guys like it, maybe not tonight. But if you guys like the idea of me doing maybe a more in-depth analysis of this fight, I mean, I can do a remake after 5 years. Heck, every gaming studio is doing remakes these days. I could do a remake myself, but I won't do it tonight. But we did watch the trailer so that you can let me know in the comments if you would want me, if you have ever watched it, the original. And if you haven't, you should totally go check out the channel. I'm gonna do the heavy lifting for you. Put the link in the description, and if you want me to do a deep analysis, you can let me know. Shadows of Dream for 18 minutes. Man, is that a film? I think that's a film. Well, I don't want to watch the entire film. Maybe another time. Alright, noble ones. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember thumbs up. And if you're not yet a member of this community, become a noble one. Subscribe to my channel for more content from the Metatron. And remember, the Metatron has spread his wings. Goodbye. If you're enjoying this video so far, please take a moment to check out my Patreon page. With as little as a $5 support, you can help us ensure that we can continue to produce high quality and high researched content. And at the same time, you get access to polls, extra videos, unlisted streams, and much more. Thank you so much.